Hey guys, we're back in the kitchen with Mike and Mel. How you doing, Mel?
I'm pretty good. How you doing, Mike?
Well, I'm doing all right. You know, I want to eat a lasagna, but I'm not supposed to eat a lot of carbs right now. You got any ideas what I can do about that?
Well, I'm going to make you an eggplant lasagna tonight.
Oh,
We'll
yeah.
substitute those noodles with eggplant.
Wow, what all goes in that?
Well, we've got some ingredients for our meat sauce here. You need 2 large eggplants, and then we are going to bread those and put them in the oven.
Well, let's get started. I can't wait.
All right, first I'm going to dip my eggplant into an egg wash here. And then bring it right into my Italian breadcrumb and grated Parmesan mix. I also added some salt, pepper, and garlic powder to our mix here. I'm gonna flip it over, make sure it's coated on each side. Shake off the excess. You want to brush that pan with olive oil. And then once you've got this complete, it's going to go in a 375-degree oven for 25 minutes each side. Okay, so we've got our eggplant in the oven. What I'm going to do is we preheated the pan here. We're going to put in a little bit of olive oil. Start our meat sauce here. Add these onions. Let those sweat for a minute before you add your meat. Alright, so we're ready to add the meat. Put that in there like that. You just want to make sure you cook your meat thoroughly and then drain off the excess fat once you're done. Alright, it's been 25 minutes. Time to flip our eggplant. You want to be real gentle taking these off the pan. They might stick just a little bit. You flip these over and put them in for another 25 minutes. Okay, we drained off the excess fat, and then we're going to add our garlic. Let that cook for a minute. Get that nice flavor in there. Okay, so our garlic's been in there for about 2 minutes. We let that nice flavor get in there. We're going to add about a half a cup of wine. We are drinking Pinot Noir tonight, but any dry red wine will do. And then you're going to let that reduce a little bit before you add your spices. Okay, we're ready to add our spice mixture. Put that in, sprinkle it over the top there. Add a little salt. Nice generous pinch. A little bit of pepper. We love our fresh crack. And then you're gonna add the diced tomatoes straight away, right over the top. And a can of tomato paste. You wanna mix that up real good. Cover and simmer for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, so we put a little bit of sauce in the pan. You want to make sure you put a little bit of sauce on the bottom. We're gonna put down our first layer of eggplant. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little more sauce. Just gonna kind of gently scoop that over the top of the eggplant. We're gonna make 2 layers because it's just me and Mike eating tonight. But if you wanted to do this for a bigger group, you'd want to get another eggplant and you can do 3 layers. You're gonna take some mozzarella cheese. I've got about 2 cups freshly grated. Just gonna sprinkle that over the top of the eggplant and the sauce. Then we're gonna finish this off with some Parmesan, freshly grated, of course. It's gonna give it that nice little extra delicious cheese flavor. Put it on there. And we're gonna put this in the oven about 10 minutes.
Well, Melissa, maybe I'm just hungry, but I feel like I might shoot somebody to eat some of this lasagna.
Mikey, don't shoot somebody. You've got this lasagna right in front of you, and that's illegal.
You're right. I should probably just put some on a plate. Let's see how it tastes.